Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we're doing the best and easiest Southern biscuits and gravy, y'all. And this is a staple down south. If y'all haven't had biscuits and gravy, sausage gravy, let's be clear, you're totally missing out. But this is super quick and easy recipe, perfect for the weekend. And this will be under my breakfast and brunch recipe playlist. So make sure you check this out. Let's go. So I'm starting with some salt and pepper, roasted garlic seasoning and onion powder, and then I have some self-rising flour, which if you don't have self-rising flour, I will put a workaround recipe in the description. Whole milk and buttermilk, and again, if you don't have buttermilk, I will again put an alternate recipe in the description box. So I am going to take some cold butter and I'm going to grate it into the flour. And while I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click that subscribe button, you guys. And thank you so much, you guys. We're getting so close. I appreciate all of the subscriptions and the comments, and I appreciate you guys so much. Y'all are my community. So I just cut the rest of the butter, and you want a crumble texture, and then I'm just going to gradually add in the buttermilk until it becomes sticky and comes together in a ball like so. And y'all know I'm lazy. I don't like to knead, so I'm just going to roll it out just a few times until I get a somewhat smooth surface and it's no longer sticking to my hand. And then I'm going to toss it and cover it and set it off to the side for about 15 minutes. So don't let it dry out, you guys. Cover your dough. So once it has sat for that period of time, I'm just going to roll it out. And I rolled it out to about half of an inch or so. And then what I'm going to do is fold it over again and then roll it again. And this is going to give you that layered effect to your biscuits. So y'all, I don't have fancy cutters. I'm just using a stemless wine glass, and I'm just going to cut out my biscuits and spray my bottom pan. You also can put butter in the bottom of your pan just to give some extra flavor, but I love my pan spray. And then we're just going to put them in there and put them tightly together so that they're touching and will help each other lift each other up. You know how biscuits go. So I'm going to keep rolling the dough out. This dough is so perfect texture so that you can keep re-rolling until you use up all of your dough. Look at that. We didn't waste hardly any. So there you go. So one thing that I do with my biscuits is I brush the tops with either some butter or buttermilk or whatever. Totally optional, but into the oven it goes. So I'm cooking my favorite sausage, hey Jimmy, and then I'm just going to brown it up, and then after I do that, I'm going to add the flour in and cook that out, and so we don't have that heavy flour taste to it. And then I'm just going to lightly season because the sausage has already got the flavors and herbs in it already, so please be careful on your measurements. And then you'll add your milk and it's going to automatically thicken. So that's what the flour is for. And you can add as much milk or as little as you want. You know, their preference as far as how thick you want your gravy to be will be on you. But it looks like that for me. Look at that, you guys. So out of the oven are our biscuits. Look at that, you guys. So beautiful. And I'm just going to brush it with some melted butter, and here you guys go. Listen, look at how beautiful. And then you can see all of the layers. And then again, when you put them together, they help them rise. And then let me show you, look at how beautiful that biscuit is. 2 ingredients, you guys. Come on. Well, 3 ingredients. I'm sorry, y'all. Butter don't count. It's economy. Okay, but here we go. But look at the heat coming out of that biscuit, you guys. Ooh. Do I get excited about food? I'm a foodie. Yes, I do, y'all. And I don't know if this is a Texas thing, a pregnancy craving thing, but biscuits and sausage gravy and grape jelly. Come on, y'all. Try it out. I promise. It's so good. But hold on. Let me let you get this bite. Go on and take that bite. There you go, baby. So good. So I hope you guys try this recipe out. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. And remember, new recipes every single week. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week in my new video. Bye, y'all.